This is the HARDELL 6-inch rechargeable plastic digital caliper. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Came in some nice looking packaging just to show you how it arrives. And inside the package you are going to get the 6-inch digital caliper, a user guide, and about an 18-inch Type-C cable, because this is a rechargeable device. You plug it in right here. There's a light right here that's red when it's charging and it turns green when it's fully charged. And all of this comes in a decent hard plastic case. They say that one full 20-minute charge will give you about 3 to 4 months of usage time. I love that we're living in the rechargeable device era. This caliper has a high contrast orange screen. Really important to note that it is not backlit. It's designed to be read under normal ambient light conditions like I have here right now. And by the way, it'll automatically turn off after 5 minutes of non-use, so that's good because I forget sometimes. It is made entirely from what feels to me like pretty durable plastic. There are jaws on the top, jaws on the bottom. We have a depth gauge and a step gauge on the back. I guess because it's a plastic model, there's no thumb roller and there's no locking screw on the top. But the thumb grip feels pretty good. It's smooth. I don't feel any slipping or hanging up anywhere. It has a measuring range from 0 to a little over 6 inches, or 0 to a little over 155 millimeters. I've done several of these calipers, and so far this one stays at 0 better than most for whatever reason, so I don't have to zero it out all the time. Kind of surprised since it's plastic, but here we are. Right below the orange screen are a couple of easy to read buttons. We have obviously the on and off button, we have the 0 button, and you can easily switch from inches to millimeters. And you can also zero it out anywhere on the rule if you want to measure from a certain point, for instance. So there are 4 ways you can measure with this. We have the inside jaws, we have the outside jaws, we have the depth measurement, and on the back of the gauge we have the step measurement. I kind of like this one. Pretty cool. So there you go. I really think a plastic model caliper like this would be great for students, jewelers, household repairs, 3D printing, DIY projects, woodworking, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.